Welcome home to 11013 Sedalia Way, located in the Reunion neighborhood. With no back neighbors, this home opens to walking trails that lead directly to Reunion Elementary less than a block away, as well as the community center, neighborhood coffee shop, and more. This stunning home is less than 2 years old and filled with upgrades. Large main level offers tons of space, with room for an office or playroom. Formal dining room, spacious family room with cozy gas fireplace and an open kitchen. Quartz countertops, upgraded cabinetry, oversized pantry, large island, and stainless steel appliances make the kitchen a perfect place to cook, entertain, and relax. Upstairs offers 5 large bedrooms, complete with an oversized laundry room. Master Suite offers amazing mountain views with a 5-piece master bathroom. Why buy new when you can get this almost new home with all the amenities and updates? Schedule a virtual showing today